Hi everyone, I hope you are enjoying the live. Let's see what you are going to create today. You see, it's pretty amazing. The cubes are working very great with each other. So how we can create them? At first, you need a slide with all the cubes. How we can create this slide? It's really easy. You go insert in the shapes and find the cube here. And by holding shift, you create cubes and copy them to create this slide. So we have this slide, and in this slide, we have our text in the back. Let me show you what I mean. If I select all these cubes and cut them, you see we have the text in back of them. So we have the cubes here. Let me just copy the cubes for now. We can create them easily, but I'm going to copy them because I created them in the past. At first, we need to create this effect. This text and this text are going to be in the past, so I'm going to copy them and send them to the back. This text is created by using Overdrive Sunset, and nothing is special about them. The thing is important here is that how to move these cubes so it's look perfect. Okay, I think it's enough. And now here we are going to move it up here, and we are going to move it down, move it upper, and I'm going to make it black, and then I'm going to move everything in the place I like. A little out, a little up, a little up, a little down, and everything is great. Now we set the transition of this tree slide to morph. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a nice time.